Welcome back. I have made previous video, but in that I got a comment that visibility is not proper. So I have decided that I am going to read for you. What is my suggestion? Ki by the time I am reading you, you take a book and pen and write it down so that it will be better for you to understand. We had discussed about set. This is the word set. Then this line is collection of well-defined objects. I hope now it is very clear, but I am just reading for you. Then is this first point, objects of set implies elements. There is second point, name implies capital English alphabet. Then is third point, right implies curly braces, it is braces, BRACES, and it is curly. Fourth is separate implies comma. Fifth is capital alphabets implies small. Sixth is repeat implies no repetition. Seventh is order implies order not important. Now below I have written methods of writing set. The first on the left hand side, this one is listing or rosters method. Roster method is actually, but I am having habit of saying S. It is roster method. You know what is roster, na? If not, the better ask your parent. They are knowing what is roster. Then set builder or rule form. Then it is listing method. First one, actual list is prepared. Second one, no full stop or comma after last element, comma only curly brace closes. Then third one, if last element is not known, then 3, 4 dots and curly bracket closed. That means we write 3, 4 dots and then close the curly brace. Sixth one, if list is too long, then dots are used between starting and ending 2, 3 elements. That is at the end only one element if it is written, then 2 it is okay. Then set A is written 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. In this, if you see, element 30 belongs to set A. That means we are not going to write this every time very big. So we put a symbol. I told you, this symbol you find it. That is your responsibility. It has a name. That name I will not tell you. You will have to find it. That is the work for you to do. Okay. 30 belongs to A, and if 40 is there, the 40 does not belong to A. So we cut that symbol. Okay. Now coming to example number 1. It is numbers in bracket counting. That is counting numbers from 1 to 10. So in listing method, we write it A equal to curly brace start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After last element, no full stop, only curly bracket close. Then second one, odd natural numbers from 1 to 99. So in listing method it becomes B is the set of all numbers, that is in bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot comma 99 curly bracket close. Then 3, counting numbers greater than 1000. So greater than 1000 means number 1000 will not be included. Getting it? So that is not included over there. So you will get it as so called as 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. Coming to mathematics, then is listing method D equal to curly bracket M, A, T, H, right, comma E. Then again M repeats, so that is not written. A repeats, that is not written. T, that is also cut and not written. Then I, C, S. Number of elements in set D are 8 and n of D is equal to 8. Now since already only for reading this is not good, so I have decided that I will be taking some questions already. So what happened na, so already I had recorded this video, and in the process of recording, in between only the battery discharged. So whole video went, so I am re-recording it again. So what I am doing is, wherever the questions I have written, I am putting their scale so that you will be able to read only the question. Here it is, whole number index of 2. That is, the whole meaning is like this, you will have a number 2 whose indices are whole number. Index means power. Now whole number means obviously the number set which starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written here listing method if you see. Okay. And then the name of the set and the curly bracket. Obviously 2 is going to come. The index is whole number. The first whole number is 0 to 2 raised to 0, comma 2 raised to 1, comma 2 raised to 2, comma 2 raised to 3, and it will go on continuously because whole number is infinite. So this set also is infinite. So dot dot dot, and we close the curly brace. Now come to one beautiful question over here, that is square root of 144. Okay, tell me what is square root of 144? Yes, you are correct. Square root of 144 is 12. Okay, that means it is correct. It is square root of 144 is 12, but it is half correct. Why so? Why so? Tell me, what is square of 12? That is obviously 144. Okay, what is square of minus 12? So minus 12 into minus 12, minus minus becomes plus. 12 into 12, 144. That means square of 12 as well as square of minus 12, both is 144. Agreed? So how do we come to know that the square root of 144 will be only 12? It can be from minus 12 also, na? So all the possibilities we are considering, so square root of this 144 in listing method is minus 12 and 12. Okay. Now I am taking one more question. See here, I have written it. Okay, z is n square plus 1 by 2. Now I cannot write what is exact element unless and until I get the value of n. So that is mentioned. So n is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Right? So the element what I want to write, that I will decide pehle. So first I will solve and see what is this. So z is your n square plus 1. So n I am taking as 2. For n is equal to 2, I get z to be as n. N here is what? 2. So I am writing 2. What is there? Square plus 1 by 2. So becomes 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. Agreed? So first element is your 5 by 2. This is your first element. Right? Now what is second element? Second element, when n is equal to, here you can see I think so, n is equal to 4. So when n is equal to 4, so your z is equal to n square, that means 4 square plus 1 by 2. So 4 square is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2. So second element is your 17 by 2. Agreed? Then and so on, we will find another also. That is, the next one will be obviously your 6 square. 6 square 36. 36 plus 1, 37. So it will be 37 by 2. Right? And then is 8. So 8 is equal to 8 square, 64 plus 1, that is 65 by 2. And so on. It will go on and go on and go on. So we close the curly bracket after dots. Okay. Wasn't it interesting? Now I have written another question. Prime divisors of 12. So before going to so called as listing method or so, what are divisors? Divisors are those number which can divide 12. So who are the divisors of 12? 1 can divide 12. Agreed? 2 can divide 12. 3 can divide 12. 4 can divide 12. 6 can divide 12. and I think so 12 can divide 12, right? These are the numbers which are divisors of 12, right? These are divisors of 12. But what is asked? I am expected only prime divisors. So I am writing the name of set to be as x equal to curly bracket start. Now I will discuss on each divisor. 1. Is it prime? It is divisor, okay, but is it prime? What? Yes. No. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 will not come. 2 is prime. Yes. 3 is prime. What about 4? No, 4 is composite. 2 into 2. 6, 2 into 3. 12, too many. That means prime divisor of 12 are only 2 and 3. Understood? Was it nice? Now, I have written collection, that is smallest 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit number. Now tell me which is the smallest 1 digit number. Name of the set I have written already. Smallest 1 digit number. What you said? 0. 0 is smallest, but it is not in counting digit. If 0 is given, what do you say? There is no digit at all. The smallest 1 digit number is 1. Now tell, chalo, what is smallest 2 digit number? Yes, 11. Very good, because obviously if 1 is smallest, the 2 digit number means 2 times 1, 1. No, the smallest 2 digit number will be what? That is 10. What will be smallest 3 digit number? That is 100. And what will be 4 digit number? That is 1, 2, 3. Got it? Wasn't it slightly tricky? Now let us move to next question. Now I am writing a number. Number is 6,66,666. Okay, 6,66,666. You have to write digits. That is so called as digit in 100, 1,000 and lakhs place. Means you are going to write what? All the digits which are in so called as hundreds place. So 100, unit 10, 100, 6. Then 1,000, unit 10, 100, 6. Same it is. Then lakhs, 1, unit 10, 100, 1,000, 1,000, lakh, 6. Right? Got it? So don't write 6, 6, 6 3 times. No repetition allowed. So it is only 6. Interesting? Next question. N is given to you as third order of x. We'll be reading this in this year. But up till now what you have studied in your standard 7th, it is cube root of x. Cube root of x. That means I will just explain you in short what is cube root. So what I am doing, I am taking here, for example, I am taking here cube root of 125. So 125 means it is cube root of, I am factorizing 125 with all possible prime factors. So I will get it as 5 into 5 into 5. Agreed? Got it? No problem? Yes. So cube root means these numbers, how many times they are coming, that I will check. Same numbers. They are coming 3 times. Yes. I am just showing you simple way. This is not mathematical way to understand. But right now to understand, you just see. Whatever order is here the same numbers must repeat that much time. Means here order is 3. So here the name number must come 3 times. Is it there? So that becomes a group. So this is one group. So out of this complete group, it comes outside. I will explain you this in all real numbers, that is inserts very nicely. So that all comes outside. तो ये पूरा ग्रुप उठ के बाहर आ जाएगा, कोई यहाँ रहेगा नहीं, बोले हम लोग सब बॉयकॉट कर रहे हैं, सब बाहर आ गए। तो घर के बाहर जब आ जाते तो यहाँ पर पूरा तीनों मिलके आए थे, लेकिन आएगा एक ही बाहर, बराबर। और अंदर यहाँ कुछ नहीं रहता है, दैट इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1। तो दैट मीन्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ 125 इज इक्वल टू 5। Enjoying now variety of the questions? Yes, even I am enjoying teaching, because at SMG group tuitions we take variety of questions and we try to explore the minds of students. So here when I take, so cube root of 1 obviously will be 1, cube root of 27 will become so called as 3, 3 into 3 into 3, cube root of 64 will become, I think so, 4, 4 and 4, so yes, 4, 4 is 60, 64, 64 and 8, 2, 2 and 2. So obviously your element that is set will become, right, anything that is L is set of cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 8 is 2. Now shall I ask you one simple question? If you remember here when I wrote square root, here somewhere, yes, here, it is square root. That time I took plus and minus. But here I did not take. Can you think on it? Pause the video, think and then proceed. Huh? Think. Okay? Now, got the answer? See what I am telling you. Cube means, cube of a number means multiple of same number that much number of times. That is 3 times. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. What is minus 2 cube? Minus 2 cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Agreed? So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Agreed. But minus into minus became plus. And that plus into minus became again minus. So final result is minus 8. So sign matters in cube root, 5th root, 7th root, 9th root. Okay? And in other sign does not matter. Okay, got it? We have dealt with lot number of questions. Nicely we have covered the topic. There are many questions, as I told you, variety of questions we can take, but there are certain limitations. So we will meet in another session, that is we will be taking something of new part, that is something that we will study new. Till then, if you liked it, just like it, share it, subscribe also, so that you get the notifications very immediately, and help those who are not able to reach. Okay, till then, stay at home, stay safe, goodbye and have a nice day.